Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the target OS and why that matters. APIs, sensors, and distribution differ. Once chosen, install the SDK, emulator, and drivers so you can run early builds. Start a real project template and implement the single core loop that proves the game concept in one screen. This immediately shows feasibility and performance. Make sure to set device resolution and update rate now, because those constraints shape art, input design, and battery budget going forward. You now implement controls and the game loop while thinking about constraints. Map touch, crowns, buttons, and motion sensors so the game is playable with minimal gestures. Once mechanics are in, focus on optimization, pack sprites into atlases, batch draw calls, and trim update frequency to reach 30 to 60 frames per second. Also make explicit power strategies. Suspend updates when the wrist is down and simplify physics. These choices keep the experience smooth and the battery life acceptable. You finish by polishing visuals, adding haptic feedback, micro animations, and accessible text sizes so the game feels premium on a tiny screen. Once done, test on multiple real devices, collect crash reports and telemetry, and iterate until stability and session metrics look healthy. When ready, sign and package builds per the store's requirements, submit and plan regular updates. If something goes wrong, reproduce the bug on device first and check logs. That single step usually reveals the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.